My weight, our weight, that detrimental. Little excavator. Bro, even that, I would be stuck. I'd be like, help, help,
my legs wouldn't allow me to go over the edge.
Help me, help me. Was up there a huge one? A big hole.
Very top.
Goodness. It's only one small section too, huh?
It's like a big hole right there.
What's this for action? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that was one of the spots that we were working on cleaning up. Ended up working Saturday, Sunday with the state for emergency cleanup from all the landslides, from all of the flooding and everything. So in a 36-hour period, I worked 28 hours. So tried to go and bench after I got done with that. Laid on the bench. Was so shot. I didn't even lift the bar off of the rack. I just didn't even work out. I pushed it back to another day to see if I would feel any better. I felt a little better last night. I probably, if I would have put it back one more day, I would definitely would have been a lot stronger, but I was just getting tired of not lifting. So I just decided to do some 5x5 work because I haven't done 5x5 in a while. Get some decent volume in there. Something that's a little bit of a challenge, but I figure even with being, you know, a little run down, I'd still be able to get it. So, yep, here's this week's bench session. All right. 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, up! 1, 2, up! Yep.